Okay, so once again, section 3.4, number 15. Since there's like a couple different ways to do these types of problems, I've had my students use like method 1 on the odds. So that's what I'll end up doing for number 15, since that's an odd. And obviously we need to first distribute, which is an old concept, before we can continue. So we distribute that out. We have 7 times 1 is 7. Positive times a negative is a negative. 7 times y is 7y. And negative times a positive is a negative 3y. Negative times a negative is a positive 6. And now we can start working. I like to bring all my variables this way and all my numbers that way, so I'm going to get rid of that 7 so it can end up over there. So let me make a little bit of room here. 7, and I'm going to put a minus 7 in there. And it probably would do me well to actually use colored markers so you can really see that the only thing being changed is a negative 7 added to both sides. So clearly you should be able to see I'm squeezing a negative 7 in between these two terms. And there it is. Negative 3y plus 6. And now let's do, it wouldn't be legal if we did this to this side without doing it to the other. And so this is of course a positive 7 and a negative 7 cancel each other out. Negative 3y, 6 and 7. 6 and negative 7 is negative 1. And now we want to get rid of this term, get it to disappear from this side and show up over here. So now we're going to want to do 7y, the opposite of this on both sides. Keeping with my same theme, I've got to use the colored marker. Plus 3y equals negative 3y plus 3y. So clearly the only change, if I cover these up, you can see that the equation is the same as above, but I'm adding the same thing to both sides, that way it's legal. And so this term is going to cancel with that term. They make 0. Negative 7y and positive 3y would be a negative 4y equals negative 1. Now to get rid of the negative 4 times y, divide by negative 4, so that would become a big 1. And whatever we do over here, we have to do over there. So y, 1 times y is just y. Negative and a negative makes a positive, so it's just 1/4. That would be our answer using method 1.